Пишу коряво, обломком карандаша, на помятой бумаге. Пишу.
Means, I write, or, I am writing. Pronounced.
Пишу.
With the
ша.
sound as in, ship. It's the first person singular present tense of the verb.
Писать.
Pisat. Indicates the action of writing.
Коряво.
Means, clumsily, or, awkwardly. Pronounced.
ka-RYAH-vah.
With the stress on the second syllable. It describes the manner of writing, suggesting imperfection. It's an adverb modifying the verb.
Пишу. Обломком.
Means, with a broken piece, or, with a fragment. Pronounced.
ah-BLOHM-kahm.
With the stress on the second syllable. It's the instrumental case singular masculine form of
обломок.
oblomok, meaning, broken piece, or, fragment. Here, it specifies the writing instrument.
Karandaша.
Means, of a pencil. Pronounced.
ka-ran-dah-SHA.
With the stress on the last syllable. It's the genitive case singular masculine form of
karandash.
karandash, meaning, pencil. It's used to specify the type of broken piece used for writing.
на.
A preposition meaning, on, or, upon. Pronounced.
на.
Similar to the English, na, but slightly shorter. It indicates the location where the writing is taking place.
Помятой.
Means, crumpled, or, creased. Pronounced.
pm-YAH-той.
With the stress on the second syllable. It's the feminine singular form of the adjective.
Помятый.
Помятой, in the locative case, agreeing with.
Бумаге.
Describes the state of the paper.
Бумаге.
Means, on the paper. Pronounced.
bumage.
With the stress on the second syllable. It's the locative case singular feminine form of
Бумага.
bumage, meaning, paper. It's the object of the preposition.
на.
Putting it together.
Пишу коряво, обломком карандаша, на помятой бумаге.
Means, I am writing clumsily. With a broken piece of pencil. On crumpled paper. The sentence paints a picture of a difficult writing situation.